Here's a pair of the Soundcore Sport X20 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. A factory reset can help issues if one side's not working, one side's volume is lower, you have issues pairing or connecting, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe the audio was delayed, and so on. Anyway, the factory reset on these Soundcore earbuds are very simple. So let's go ahead and factory reset these earbuds, but let me first show you that I'm connected to my iPhone here. Let me go to my settings on my iPhone, and then I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and then you can see the Soundcore right here. It says connected. This is the X20 here. All right, so let's go ahead and factory reset these, okay? So all you got to do is just keep the buds in the case, and you have this button right here. All you got to do is press and hold that button and hold it for like 10 seconds or so. Just wait until it flashes white a bunch of times, and then everything turns off, okay? So we'll do it together, okay? You can see that I'm connected right there, okay? As soon as I do the factory reset, it'll get disconnected. So button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding for 10 seconds or just wait till the light stops, okay? I'm still holding here. It's going to flash white a few times really fast, and then it's going to eventually turn off. I'm still holding here. Okay, now it turned off. Now just go ahead and let go. And now we're going to close the case. Now open it up, and the factory reset is done. It should be back in. It should be in pairing mode now. It should automatically start blinking white here. There you go. It's in pairing mode. Okay, so now the thing is, remember, I was connected to this iPhone before. Now, if I want to connect back to this iPhone, I have to first delete it off my my Bluetooth pairing list. Okay, so the Soundcore here says not connected. It's not going to show up down here, even though it's in pairing mode, because I was previously paired to this phone. So let me go ahead and click on the I for information, and I'm going to remove it, delete it from my pairing list here, Bluetooth list. Forget this device. If you're on like a Android phone, it may say unpair or delete. Okay. Anyway, there we go. So now it's gone. Now let me just turn off Bluetooth, and I'm just going to turn it back on just to rescan. And it's still into pairing mode. It's blinking white, and voila, we're back up. So I can connect back to this phone if I wish. And voila, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put in a pairing mode, you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.